Rashid Ronald. Now, yesterday, the security chiefs in Nyanza came together and they were talking about a few issues to do with the security situation, in that region. And today we understand that there are members of a squad that has been, frustrating residents in Kisumu called China Squad. We understand that some of its members have been arraigned in court, and we have Rashid Ronald on the line. Thank you, Rashid, for joining us on News Center. So talk to us about this China Squad or Chinese Squad. What really are they looking at in terms of charges?
Yeah, thank you very much, Betty Chalo. And of course, as we speak right now, they're called China Squad. It's a China Squad. It's a gang which police claim that has been terrorizing people here in Kisumu, especially businessmen, extorting money from businessmen. That is what police are saying. And of course, they're also claiming that the group has been hired by politicians to threaten their opponents, especially ahead of the general election. Of course, it is a group that has been there for many years. It's a replica of Mungiki. It's a gang, groupings where they come together and do all sort of things. That's what police say, not me, of course. So yesterday, they were arrested in the morning. 9 members of them, they were arrested in the morning, and today morning they've been arraigned in court. Remember, at some point, the prosecution had to ask for 10 minutes break so that they could be able to complete the charge sheet. It's very, very interesting here. And as we speak right now, the case is going on. And earlier on, remember yesterday morning, there was a meeting here, a major meeting, which comprised leaders, security chiefs from this region, Nyanza. You are talking of Homa Bay County, you are talking of Migori County, you are talking of Siaya. They all came together in Kisumu here to discuss the issue of insecurity with the man in charge of security, Willie Lugusa, telling us that there are very, very many groups in this region, and they're going to crack down on them, especially this time when we are heading towards the general election. And he also warned the politicians who are thinking of using those groups that their days are numbered. They will be arrested. In fact, saying that some of them might not even participate in the coming general election if they continue using such groups. But all in all, 9 members right now as we speak, Betty. The case is going on. We don't know what is going to happen. The prosecution side is determined to ensure that these people are arrested. Back to you, Betty.
All right, Rashid, before you hand it back to me, I'm a bit curious about this China Squad, you called it. Do we know, how many are they? And this time round, what led to their arrest? What had they done?
If you look at the way the police were speaking, their body language yesterday, I tend to believe that they are trying to send a statement to such kind of groups. It's a group which comprises very many youth around Kisumu and some other areas. You go to see, they have connection in other areas. And during the last general election, politicians actually used the group members to terrorize, to intimidate their opponents in the last general election. And so I think police believe the trend might also come back again as the country approaches the general election. So they are trying to send a strong statement that, yes, if you continue with that, we are going to arrest you. And, you have to start from a point. I think they're making a statement to the public that we are determined to ensure that this group does not exist or it ceases to exist here in Kisumu. And remember, it's not only the China Squad. There's also another one called American Marines here. So very interesting groups here in Kisumu. So police are trying to make a statement, Betty, that this time you have no room here in Kisumu ahead of the general election.
Rashid, thank you so much for that. So we have the live pictures coming to us from that court in Kisumu where the 9 members are being charged. So let's just cross over there.